flour. The recipe will be written underneath in the description. And so I have 1 cup. Then I have the tomato paste added, and the fresh pepper paste as well. I added food enhancer, which is Maggi cube. I also added this stew jellof spice. It's just to give it a little bit of reddish stew and jellof. This thing I added it, I think half a teaspoon. Then this is half of the water, the first stage of half of the water. So I chopped some onions in the little aluminium mortar. So I'm going to almost like stirring, crushing. It's in a powder form. It just helps this thing to have a very good consistency. So now I'm adding the 1/3 left over of the water, salt, a little bit of salt, and a little bit of baking soda is also added in it. So I stir for at least 5 minutes from each stage. And presently I put on the oil. The other perforated plate you've seen before is the one I was going to pack everything into. I put on a kitchen towel, disposable kitchen towel, and so now after it is done, I am packing everything now into the perforated plate with a towel. So it's done for 5 people. So